On today's What Is It, we've got Vintage Air. What it is a fantastic air conditioning system that can be retrofitted into almost any classic vehicle. Diving straight in, we will go over all the components included in this kit and how they function. Starting out, we've got our blower box over here to the left. Everything within this kit is drive-by-wire and electronic, so there is no need to run vacuum or cabling to anything. Everything is completely plug and play. All harnesses and hardware are included that are required for the install. Within this kit is developed specifically for a 66 to 67 Chevelle. However, there are many other makes and models that are supported, along with universal kits that can be retrofitted into basically anything out there. So if you're looking to either upgrade an older air conditioning system that is in a current vehicle, or if you are looking to just add air conditioning to something that didn't originally have it, this is the kit for you. Given that our clientele is here in Arizona, our summers are absolutely excruciating. Most of our customers and clients are looking to get out to car meets and things like that throughout the summer to have some fun with their cars, so this is pretty mandatory for us here. Hopping back into the components themselves, we've got pre-bent AC lines here. This makes the install super clean, and obviously fitment's going to be perfect. Within that, everything else is included that's required, such as the condenser, all blower lines. Very nice vents that are fully adjustable and made of high quality materials. These look great, but they also function absolutely awesome. On the vehicle specific kits, you've got roto-molded specific vents that are going to be tailored for your dash and your application, so they drop directly in. They function great, they flow awesome, and they look fantastic. Very clean under the dash. Kind of moving back into things, the blower box and everything does install underneath the dash, so there is nothing visible. It looks completely clean. With a kit like this, it also includes a new glove box that is going to fit around the blower box, as that will take up some of the space, especially on the vehicles that did not originally have AC. From there, that basically wraps up most of the features and functions on this. You can utilize a vehicle-specific control that you can purchase through Vintage Air, or you can actually tie this into the vehicle's original control itself if you would like. If you are interested in getting Vintage Air set up in your car, feel free to contact us. We've been installing these for quite some time, and we can get you dialed in at our Queen Creek location. Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one.